To become one with your soulmate, you must prepare yourself to be accepted by your soulmate, which means you must be ready mentally. Using these affirmations will help you be ready to accept your soulmate within your heart and soul. Repeat them daily, and when your soulmate approaches you, then you will know. If you already know who your soulmate is, then you will become even closer with your specific person. Now find a comfortable spot in the room and close your eyes. Repeat the phrases after I say them. Pause the video if you need to and come back to listen when you are in a place where you will not be interrupted and you are comfortable. There will be a short 5-second pause and we will begin. I am ready and open to welcoming my soulmate into my life. I trust that the universe is guiding me towards my perfect partner. I release any past hurts or fears that may block the flow of love into my life. I am complete and whole on my own, and my soulmate will complement me perfectly. I am grateful for the lessons learned in past relationships, knowing they have prepared me for the love that awaits. I trust in divine timing, knowing that my soulmate will enter my life at the perfect moment. I am attuned to the signs and synchronicities that guide me towards my soulmate. I am aligned with the energy of love, attracting my soulmate with every positive thought and action. I am excited about the journey of self-discovery that leads me closer to my destined love. I am confident in my ability to create a loving and harmonious relationship with my soulmate. I am radiating love and positivity, drawing my soulmate closer with each passing day. I am visualizing the qualities and characteristics of my ideal partner, knowing that they are manifesting in my life. I am grateful for the love and support I receive from friends, family, and the universe as I prepare to meet my soulmate. I am embracing self-care and personal growth as I prepare myself to be the best partner I can be. I am surrounded by love in all its form, knowing that my soulmate is drawing closer to me with each passing moment. I am excited about the deep connection and love that awaits me with my soulmate, and I am ready to embrace it fully. Whether you fall asleep and dream of your soulmate contacting you or go throughout your day repeating these phrases, make sure you say them with conviction. It is possible to be in each other's dreams, so either way they make an amazing tool to manifest your future. Remember to come back daily or to repeat your phrases on the videos you align with. I try to make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to be notified of any changes and updates. Remember, the universe loves you, and so do I.